Welcome back to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where simple materials become beautiful holiday memories. What if one humble roll of jute could transform your Christmas home without expensive shopping? Today we're creating 10 rustic DIYs that feel warm, nostalgic, and wonderfully personal. These projects celebrate texture, craftsmanship, and the cozy charm many of us remember from Christmases past, together at home. Our first idea is a jute-wrapped Christmas wreath. Start with a simple grapevine or foam base, then wrap it loosely with natural jute, keeping the texture visible. Add pine cones, faux greenery, cinnamon sticks, or a small plaid ribbon. The secret is restraint. Let the earthy fiber remain the star while seasonal accents provide just enough color and warmth all season. Next, create rustic jute ornaments for your tree. Cut small cardboard shapes such as stars, hearts, or trees, then cover them completely with jute using craft glue. Finish each ornament with a tiny bough, wooden bead, or sprig of greenery. They're inexpensive, lightweight, and especially lovely when mixed with vintage ornaments collected throughout the years for a timeless handmade touch. For our third DIY, turn glass jars into cozy Christmas lanterns. Wrap a band of jute around each jar, securing it with glue, then add a small pine sprig or bell. Place battery-operated candles inside for a gentle glow. Group several jars together on a mantle or dining table, creating an easy centerpiece that feels collected rather than overly decorated. Fourth is a charming jute Christmas tree centerpiece. Create cone shapes from cardboard, then wrap them tightly with jute until completely covered. Make several trees in different heights, and place them on a wooden tray with pine cones and greenery. This simple arrangement adds dimension to a coffee table, entryway, or buffet while keeping the palette beautifully neutral throughout the season. For DIY number 5, make jute-wrapped gift boxes that look straight from a cozy country shop. Wrap ordinary boxes in craft paper, then replace traditional ribbon with natural jute twine. Add dried orange slices, evergreen sprigs, handwritten tags, or cinnamon sticks. The result feels thoughtful and nostalgic, proving that beautiful gift presentation doesn't require expensive wrapping supplies with thoughtful charm. Sixth, create a rustic jute garland for your mantle or staircase. Tie small jute bows along sturdy twine, spacing them evenly before adding pine cones, wooden beads, or tiny fabric flags. Keep the garland relaxed instead of perfectly symmetrical. That slightly imperfect look is what gives rustic Christmas decorating its welcoming character and makes your home feel genuinely lived in all season. Finally, let's bring everything together with 3 finishing ideas: jute wrap candle holders, rustic napkin rings, and simple jute bows for cabinet handles. Repeat the same natural texture throughout your rooms rather than decorating every surface. This creates visual harmony. Remember, the goal isn't more Christmas, it's a warmer Christmas, filled with handmade details that tell your story for years ahead.